Today we wanted to demonstrate very quickly how to fit the Erthe strap onto a pair of sandals. It's not ideal in some ways because different to a shoe where this strap would actually run up over the wall of the shoe with this tab directly under the heel. In this instance, we're going to have to run the strap all the way along the shoe or the sandal so that the main contact point is under the front of the foot, but it will still work fine. So the first thing we do is we have to clean the area that we're going to apply the strap to. Swab to make sure that we get everything off the shoe. Obviously if there's dirt and soil you need to get rid of that, and because this is going to be adhesive all the way along the strap, all the way along here, we need to make sure that that area we're contacting with is nice and clean, good for good connection throughout the life of the product. And that looks pretty good. So there's two parts of the adhesive backing, and of course it all has to be removed, but first I'm going to just remove the part for the tabs. So this part here is the important piece that will be under the shoe, and this is the area that's going to be making contact with the ground. It's important that only this tab is under the foot and the narrower strap is not actually making contact with the surface you're walking on. So in this case we're going to simply put it right underneath the middle of the sandal, and it's important to give it a good solid firm press, and then the rest will be coming this way. It's a little bit tricky with this one because I don't want to get the sticky surface stuck on the wrong part of the sandal. So it is a good adhesive, so make sure you get it in the right spot when you're doing this. And just pushing it down all the way. So in this particular instance, this is the main contact point that will make contact with the earth here. So this is contacting the road or the surface you're walking on, and this is the area that's contacting your body. One on one pair of shoes is actually going to give you the earth connection. You don't specifically need the two, but of course some people will prefer to have both feet earthed. And that's really all there is to it. Thank you very much.